See, take sine inverse is left side, so it can be written as sine y is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square. Let us take this as equation 1. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. The left side is what? D by dx of sine y. Yes, right side is d by dx of 2x by 1 plus x square. I think so, we completed. Anyhow, this is in the form of d of u by v. Am I right? So here u is equal to, when I comparing on both sides, u is equal to, we are getting 2x, which implies what is du by dx? Differentiate. Shall I write 2? Okay, students. Then when I comparing here u by v value is v is equal to 1 plus x square, which implies dv by dx is 0 plus x square is 2x. Then this is equal to 2x. Right. So here we know that u and u dash nothing but du by dx. V and v dash means dv by dx. Since we know that, I'm going to write the formula here. Since we know that d by dx of u by v is equal to v u dash. U dash means du by dx minus u dv by dx. vu dash minus uv dash by v square. Now substitute all the values left side. First step. Here apply the chain rule. First the derivative of sine y becomes cos y into, again the derivative of y is dy by dx. It is clearly equal to right side v. What is v here? 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square value is v. This is v. This is u. This is u dash, v dash. Substitute all values here. Du by dx. Du by dx is 2 minus u value. U value is clearly 2x. dv by dx is 2x. All divided by v square. V square is 1 plus x square, the whole square, right? Now simplify this. But you know, your left side we required only dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, take cos y right side, 1 by cos y bracket multiply with 2 plus 2x square minus 4x square all divided by 1 plus x square whole square. Okay, since see, with the help of the sine y, I want to find cos y here. What is sine y they given? 2x by 1 plus x square. 2x by 1 plus x square. So with the help of this, cos y is equal to root over 1 minus sine square y. Root over 1 minus sine square. Sine square, what is sine? 2x by 1 plus x square whole square. Am I right? Yeah. I substituted sine y value. Now I want to simplify here. This is clearly equal to, what is the value we are going to get? 1 minus 4x square by 1 plus x square whole square. Now take LCM. What is the LCM here? 1 plus x square whole square. The numerator is 1 plus x square whole square minus 4x square. Now when I simplify here, so cos y is equal to, write root separately. It's better to write root separately. So here it is. You can expand 1 square. So a plus b whole square, a square plus b square, x square whole square minus 2ab plus 2ab plus 2ab. 2 into 1 into x square minus 4x square by square root of 1 plus x square whole square. So this is equal to what? Root over. Here, shall I write here x square whole square plus 1 here. 2 into x, 2x square minus 4x square is minus 2x square by 1 plus x square. Square will get cancelled. So this is square root of 1 minus x square whole square by 1 plus x square. Square will get cancelled. So finally, what is cos y? Cos y is 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. This is cos y. This cos y we have to substitute. Let us take this is equation 2. In equation 2, we have to substitute cos y. So dy by, therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square into, so what about this value? 2 plus 2x square minus 4x square. Value is what? Anyone? 2 minus 2x square. Am I right? When I take 2 common, 1 minus x square by, here it is 1 plus x square whole square. Any doubt here? See here? 2x square minus 4x square minus 2x square. 2 is common. Right. When I cancel here, 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, cancel. Finally, what is the answer? dy by dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. Clear? Any doubt? This is method 2. Method 2 is quite lengthy. In all the cases, it is not possible to do this because it is possible but somewhat lengthy, right? Students? Yeah. All of you do this question number 11. All of you do it fast. Question number 11. Question number 11 with the help of method 1 and method 2. Fast. You only do that. So, what is question number 11? Y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Right? Do the method 1, method 1. In method 1, what we have to substitute in place of x? Let us take x value as x is equal to tan theta. All of you take x is equal to tan theta. Substitute in equation 1, so which implies theta is equal to tan inverse x. Am I right? When x value is tan theta, theta value tan inverse x. Substitute here x is equal to tan theta and simplify. Tell me the answer. Yes. Anyone? Can anyone complete it? Great. Answer.
Sir, 2 by 1 plus x square.
Same answer. So cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is equal to cos inverse of cos 2 theta. Then cos inverse cos get cancelled, we get 2 theta. So at last you can substitute the theta value. Theta value is 2 tan inverse x. This is the formula 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square theta formula, always cos 2 theta formula. So finally we got this simplest form. So now you have to differentiate. Let us take equation to differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So left side is dy by dx. Right side is what? Tan inverse x derivative is 2 times of d by dx of tan inverse. So this is equal to 2 times of 1 by 1 plus x square. This is dy by dx. Clear? So question number 9 and 11 will be same answer. So can you try that method 1 u by v formula? Method 2. Method 2 you can try. So this question take cos is left side. So cos y is equal to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Now you can differentiate right side u by v formula. U by v formula like this. Same. At last the derivative of cos y will be sin y. Sin y dy by dx is equal to right side u by v formula. Then here sin y cross multiply, we are getting dy by dx is equal to 1 by sin y into this. So what is sin y then? Sin y can be written as root over 1 minus cos square y. Cos y already is there. Then simplify the square root value. It's better you can go through this method 1. Substitution method. Okay, students? See here, it is a standard formula actually, cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So we know that formula is 2 tan inverse x directly, but don't try it directly. Okay, so take x is equal to tan theta. Indirectly we deriving that. The 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. We derive it. After that we differentiate. Then let us do that question number 10. Question number 10. Then y is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. So what is the domain here? The given domain is minus 1 by root 3 lesser than x lesser than 1 by root 3. So here lesser than only. We should not take a lesser than or equal to. If you take a equal, you know, if denominator becomes 0, 1 minus 1, undefined again. Okay, so it should be only lesser than. Fine. In this question, so let us take this is equation 1. So what is the value we need to substitute in place of x again? Tan theta. Which implies what is theta? Tan inverse x. So y is equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Since we know that again it is a formula, tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube by 1 minus 3 tan square is
Tan 3 theta.
tan 3 theta, right? So y is equal to tan with cancel 3 theta again. What is theta value now? Tan inverse x. So differentiate this equation. Let us take this is 2. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. X on both sides. Right? And when we differentiate here, so dy by dx is equal to 3 into 1 by 1 plus x square. That is 3 by 1 plus x square is the answer. Clear? First, I can complete all the problems with the help of method 1. Then we'll go for method 2. Okay. So you only tell me by substitution method, right? So what is the value we need to substitute in for next question, right? We completed this method 1. So what is the value we need to substitute? X value. Already we discussed it there. To get the standard formula, standard form, so what is the value we need to substitute? Either sine theta or cos theta or tan theta, secant, cosecant, cot. Which one? Yes, what value of x it will be get a standard form? Twins. Right. So next 12th question is y is equal to sine inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So even in exam also, there is not necessary that we can do in method 2 only, method 1 only, not like we can do any method, right? You'll get the marks. I'm going to do that method 1. Again, I want to take let x is equal to tan theta, which implies theta is equal to tan inverse x, right? Then substitute here, so y is equal to, from equation 1, sine inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is equal to sine inverse of, this is clearly cos 2 theta formula. 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square is cos 2 theta formula. Everyone must remember sine 2 theta formula, cos 2 theta formula, tan 2 theta formula in terms of tan. Okay, sine 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta, nothing but sine 2 theta by cos 2 theta. That is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, because the 1 plus tan square, 1 plus tan square get cancelled. So these are the very important formulas. Okay, so you must be clear, students. Then after this, next. So can you able to cancel sine inverse and cos? So we cannot cancel sine inverse and cos. This cos we can write in terms of sine. Shall I write here? Since we know that what is sine 90 minus theta? Sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta is clearly cos theta. So it is in the form of cos theta. Cos theta, this I want to write as sine of 90 minus 2 theta. Say sine inverse, sine get cancelled. So y is equal to finally pi by 2 minus 2 theta. At last you can replace theta value. What is theta value? Pi by 2 minus
2 tan inverse.
yeah, pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. Okay, right. So this is why now Let us take this is equation 2. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. With respect to x. When I differentiate here, y becomes dy by dx. Pi by 2 is a constant 0 minus 2 times of tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan. Finally, what is the answer here? Y is, sorry, y dash is equal to, either you can write dy by dx or y dash minus 2 by 2 upon 1 plus x square. So this is the required, the derivative of given. Okay, ma'am? Any doubt here? So what I have done, I substituted according to the given function inside the bracket. So when we take x is equal to tan theta alone, we are going to get a standard form. 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square is cos theta. So sin inverse cos cannot be cancelled, so I have written sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta has sin 90 minus theta, then sin inverse sin cancel, then finally pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Then I replace the theta value, differentiate it. Only 2 or 3 steps. Like first step is substitution, the suitable values of x, then after simplification. At last differentiate. Okay. So what is the next question here? Cos inverse 2x by 1 plus x. Okay. Fine. Look at it. Next question, try and tell me. Can anyone tell that what is the correct answer? The next, cos inverse of y is equal to cos inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. 13th question. It is also very simple question. Look at it. Again, substitution method. What shall we substitute here? X is equal to say tan theta, which implies theta value is tan inverse x. Now substitute this values in equation 1. Y becomes sine inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Sine inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square, just now I have written. This is equal to what? 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square sine 2 theta. Sorry. See, I have done one mistake. What is that mistake I have done?
Sir, cos inverse of.
Yeah, this is cos inverse. Cos inverse, very good. Cos inverse. Here also cos inverse is sine 2 theta. Can you able to cancel here cos inverse and sine? No. So cos inverse of, again sine theta can be written as cos 90 minus theta. Am I right? So now cos inverse cos get cancelled. Finally, y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Fine. Next. After this, you can substitute the theta value 90 minus 2 times of theta value again tan inverse x. Let us take this is equation 2. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Now left side is y becomes dy by dx, pi by 2 is 0 minus 2 times of 1 by tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. So finally the derivative becomes minus 2 by 1 plus x square. So what do you observe here from the question number 12 and 13? Both will be same answer. Okay, because of the reason sine inverse of cos 2 theta formula is there, cos inverse of sine 2 theta formula is there. Okay, both the cases we are going to get tan inverse. Okay, tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Clear? Right. Now, question number.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Clear? all are easy question if we do in method 1. Then 14th question. Y is equal to sine inverse y is equal to sine inverse of 2x root over 1 minus x square. Directly this is a formula. What is sine inverse of 2x root over 1 minus x square? Anyone? Yes?
Sine 2 theta.
2 sine inverse x. Yeah, with the help of sine 2 theta only we are going to get sine inverse 2x root over 1 minus x square as 2 sine inverse x. Okay, let us take this is equation 1. Again, let us take x value as sine theta, not tan theta here. In this question, take sine theta. So theta is equal to sine inverse x. Okay, substitute the values in equation 1 from the 1. Y is equal to sine inverse of 2 sine theta root over 1 minus sine square theta. So this is equal to sine inverse of 2 sine theta into root over 1 minus sine square is cos square theta. So sine inverse of 2 sine theta into cos theta. Since we know that 2 sine theta cos theta formula is what? Yes. What is sine 2 theta formula?
Sine 2 theta.
Exactly. Okay, here sine 2 theta. If I cancel sine inverse sine, then we are going to get 2 theta. Okay, which implies what is 2 into theta value? Theta value, replace it. Sine inverse x. Okay, this is the equation 2. Okay, after simplify, we got equation 2. This equation 2, we can differentiate with respect to x. Then y becomes dy by dx is equal to 2 times of sine inverse is, what is the derivative of sine inverse? D by dx of sine inverse x formula. Anyone? Can anyone tell that sine inverse x formula? Formula, derivative of sine inverse x.
1 by root over 1 minus x square.
Yeah, everyone must be remember all formulas. Okay, so this is the required answer, the derivative given. So 2 by root over 1 minus x square. So method 1, in method 2 sine inverse, take a left side sine y is equal to 2x root over 1 minus x square. So we can apply UV form, that we will do later. This is 14. Any doubt? When you substitute x is equal to sine theta alone, we are going to get a standard form. Substitute tan theta, and other than that, see, even we can substitute cos theta also. We'll get the answer. But here the thing is, according to the given interval, they given x value is minus 1 by root 2 to plus 1 by root 2. You should take x is equal to tan sine theta alone. The answer will get by substituting even x is equal to cos theta also. Okay. But different answers will get. Here we get plus 2 by root over 1 minus x square. When you take cos, we are going to get minus 2 by 1 minus x square. Like that. Here, better to take x is equal to sine theta. But 15th one, secant inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1. This is important. Okay, so 15th one is y is equal to secant inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1. Okay, the given domain is 0 lesser than x lesser than 1 by root 2. So you should write that given domain in exam. Okay, you must be right. Equation 1. See here, since we know that secant inverse 1 by x formula is what? Secant inverse 1 by x formula.
Cos inverse x.
Cos inverse x. First, I want to apply this formula. So from equation 1, substitute, apply this property for equation 1. So secant inverse becomes cos inverse of, we are going to get 2x squared minus 1. Let us take 2. Now substitution method. Let us consider x is equal to, for what value of x we are going to get 2x squared minus 1 is standard form. Yes, student. X is equal to?
Cos theta.
Exactly, cos theta alone, which implies what is theta? Cos inverse x. Substitute the values here. Y is equal to cos inverse of 2 cos square theta minus 1. Since we know that, what is cos 2 theta formula in terms of cos? 2 cos square theta minus 1. In terms of sine, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. In terms of cos and sin, cos square theta minus sin square theta. And in terms of tan, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Already we have seen. These are 4 formulas for cos 2 theta. Okay, so here clearly cos inverse of 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta. Now you can cancel it here. Y is equal to, we are getting 2 theta. Again, theta nothing but 2 times of theta value is cos inverse x. Am I right? The theta value is cos inverse x. So finally, here we got 2 cos inverse x. This is equation 3. So what to do? Differentiate now equation 3 with respect to x. So left side is y becomes a dy by dx. Right side is 2 times of cos inverse x derivative. Again formula.
Root over 1 minus x square.
Minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Okay, that's it. So finally the answer is minus 2 by 1 minus x square. This is the required derivative value. So this is equal to dy by x. Any doubts here? First, what I have done, I applied 2 properties here. What is the first property? The first property is secant inverse 1 by x can be written as cos inverse x, right? Then after second formula is cos inverse of x, then second formula is cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. And simplified, finally, I differentiated, I got the answer. Any doubts, someone? In this method 1?
Sir,
Yes?
so we can directly substitute cos inverse also. So cos square theta.
Where here? Yeah, you can substitute directly also. When you
Yes, sir.
substitute directly, what will, okay, cos theta or cos 2 theta becomes secant. Yeah. We get 2-3 steps, we will get the answer if we substitute directly. Remaining students understood, if we substitute directly also we will get, when we substitute directly, the secant inverse of 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1 will get. This is nothing but secant inverse of 1 by cos 2 theta, and 1 by cos can be written as secant 2 theta. Secant get cancelled. Okay, and directly again theta nothing but cos inverse x. Good. Okay, again theta nothing but cos. We can do like this also, but the only the thing is, so in NCERT means we try to write more number of steps. So that if we convert it into cos, we can applying one property, then after we applying the other formula like that, we'll get more number of steps. This is also I told you directly. Okay, students. Actually, for JEE students, can anyone attended yesterday class, JEE advanced class, and your class? Yes.